Installing VirtualBox on Windows. Here are some relevant links. This is the download page, and if you're going to make full use of VirtualBox, you will be needing the link to the manual. Now, I'm on a Windows 10 machine, but this should be equally applicable to Windows 11. And this is the home page of VirtualBox. Click on Download. The latest version is 7.018, and version 7 was released in October 22. As you can see, VirtualBox can run on various hosts, and we are selecting Windows today. I'm using Chrome here, so I can run the executable by just clicking. This is the installer. Click Next. This is the customization page. I'll leave everything set to default except for the Python support. Python support is a cool feature, as you can control VirtualBox via Python scripts, but I'm not intending to do that. I'm going to make it unavailable. This is the network configuration stage. A lot happens behind the scenes, but essentially, to reconfigure your network, it needs to momentarily disconnect the host from the network. Click Yes. Click Install. Click Finish. And this is the VirtualBox Manager, which you can then use to create and start virtual machines. Thank you for watching.